Okay, so I'm going to be telling you a very honest story about what literally happened in my first payout. Like, my first payout was one of the things that nearly led me to quitting and stop trading and just become very more confused about trading. So, for those people that don't know me, I'm Gonzaga, I've been actually journaling my trades on this channel, and I got my first payout from Equity Edge just of recent, something like either one or two months back. Now the following months everything got disorganized. Why? I actually got my first payout and failed to get another payout. I lost everything. Like, I lost the account, I blew the account, I blew even another account because I blew one account, then bought funding pips account, then also blew that one. So everything went to being disorganized, not because that maybe I was not, can I say, like, maybe my strategy wasn't working, but there is something that is very evil that can actually happen to you when you get your first payout. And most people don't actually talk about this. But what really happened to me was this mentality that actually came to my mind, because it all began from me blowing my funded account, right? It now came into my mind. I started thinking maybe I'm not good at trading, maybe I must be a very good person at trading, and being good at trading I must know this and this, and maybe my strategy is lacking. Like, I started actually judging everything around me from just a simple blowing my funding account. So after that I bought the 10k account and also blow it, not because the strategy wasn't working, but just because I was making a lot of mistakes and looking up to new strategies and trying to chase new things, right? Because when I blew the funded account and got the new pro farm and also blew it, I started chasing new strategies. But it's actually very different. Like, you can actually get funded and blow that funding account, and it doesn't actually mean you're not profitable. Like, I actually learned that the hard way. You blowing a funded account doesn't mean you're not profitable, because I started tweaking this and began reasoning it out from a trading perspective. You blowing an account or funded account, maybe it wasn't your unlucky month, or because you can, when remember on a funded account, by then I was using 0.8, so meaning I had something like 12 trades to blow the account. So meaning I just lost 12%. So 12% in the trading space, and according to what I was risking, it was something reasonable, right? For the funding pips account, don't lie, I blew it just because I was maybe not okay mentally, and maybe just that I was looking at other things, like trying to fix my strategy, what I didn't do when I was literally passing challenges. But what my first payout brought to me was literally so dangerous, in that I started judging myself according to prop firms, which is not right. You can't blow a prop. You blowing a prop firm doesn't mean you're non profitable. You blowing a challenge does not mean you're non profitable. Because, take for instance, you blowing a challenge, it means you've lost 10%. And bro, being a trader, you can lose 10% in a row. That's very common. Like, I've actually come to realize that whenever I always blew pro farm accounts back in the days, I used to change my strategy. But now, for the experience I've got and for what I just got now, that me blowing my funded account literally had dismantled me. You can go a month, you can even go down 50%, right? But as long as you know that blowing a pro forma account doesn't mean you're non-profitable, then you should just keep pushing. That's the only thing I can tell you, right? So when I actually noticed that blowing a pro forma account doesn't mean you're non-profitable, and blowing a funded account doesn't mean you're non-profitable, I came back again and I started journaling and filming my journey on this channel too, and I'm trading my normal strategy. Only that the only thing I did is that I gathered the data that I used back in the days that I traded on, and filtered out the bad things instead of jumping on a new strategy straight away, right? So that actually made more sense that I filtered out. I used the journaling that I used before and improved my strategy to minimize the losses than what I had done before jumping on a new strategy. So bro, the only thing you could actually take out from this video, the only thing you could actually take out from this video is you blowing a prop farm doesn't mean you're not profitable, and you blowing an account or blowing a challenge or blowing what doesn't mean you're not profitable, but all it means is that your strategy has just failed in the due time, but in the coming time it's working. So keep pushing and keep trading. See you in another video, or catch you in London. Peace.